Clutch Basics. So, what is a clutch? What does it do? And how does it work? Well, the clutch is a mechanism that smoothly transmits and cuts off engine power to the transmission by engaging and disengaging. The clutch cover and flywheel always revolve together with the engine. When the clutch cover pushes the clutch plate against the flywheel, engine torque is transmitted to the transmission. When the clutch pedal is pressed, the pressure keeping the clutch plate against the flywheel is released, disengaging the clutch. In this state, with the clutch depressed, engine torque is no longer transmitted to the transmission. The engagement and disengagement of the clutch plate and flywheel is the basic principle of a manual clutch system. First of all, the flywheel is bolted to the engine via the crankshaft. When the engine is running, the flywheel rotates. Next, we have the clutch plate, which connects to the input shaft of the transmission. When the clutch is disengaged, there is no rotation of the clutch plate through to the transmission. This means there is no drive transmitted to the wheels. To achieve drive, the clutch plate must become clamped to the flywheel. Finally, we have a clutch cover which is bolted to the flywheel. This keeps the clutch plate and flywheel clamped firmly together. Inside the clutch cover, a diaphragm spring provides the clamping force to maintain this contact, allowing drive to pass from the engine through the gearbox and onto the wheels. When the clutch pedal is depressed, the diaphragm spring deforms, releasing the pressure on the clutch plate and disengaging the clutch. This means there is no drive transmitted to the wheels. And that's the basics of a clutch system. Click Next to explore the content of this topic using the fact cards that follow.